Let's begin with what is a statistical process control. According to AQS.org, a statistical process control is a method of quality controls which applies statistical methods to monitor and control a process. In other words, an SPC acts as a sort of quality test in order to monitor the performance of a process or system. An SPC is practiced in two phases, the first phase having to do with the initial establishment of the process, and the second phase is the regular production use of that process. In the second phase, a decision must be made on the method of testing the given process, such as weighing factors against each other in order to fully understand the system in front of you. Some important outcomes of the SPC is that it can detect early onset issues with the system, which prevents problems in the future rather than needing to correct the problems after the fact. One could say the SPC has a large window of opportunity for various professions as well as any other environment that a process may occur. Taking into account the mathematics, the SPC allows for widespread analysis, leaving little to be forgotten and/or overlooked. Thanks to the SPC, engineers, more specifically electrical engineers for my purpose, can apply this concept in order to take into account the factors that might affect a process in the electrical engineering field. The example that caught my eye the most was applying this idea to electrical power systems. Electrical power systems have a large effect on everyday life of everyday people, especially in this day and age. According to ScienceDirect.com, electrical power systems are complex in regards to its different phases, subsystems, overall systems, and every little piece that goes into the system can have lasting effects on the overall performance. Electricity surrounds us all, but do you ever think about the people that help create these systems? The amount of detail and time that goes into creating these power systems that surround us every day, there are plenty of factors that had to be taken into account. This allows us to incorporate concepts like the SPC by accomplishing an overall accounting of each factor that might affect the performance of an electrical system. A simple application of the SPC can have a large influence on the ways to go about the manufacturing process in hopes for optimal performance. Through this application of a statistical concept, we see the true necessity and desire for statistical understanding that helps benefit the greater good in many areas of the world. So through this video, I hope you understand the significance of the statistical process control and its power in affecting everyday life, as well as its application to electrical power systems and electrical engineering as a whole.